Hi everyone, this is Tanushri here from the Bombay Shaving Company. Today I wanted to share with you guys one of our amazing Father's Day gift kits. This one right here is the beard styling kit. This is what it looks from the outside. This is how you will receive it. Once you take off the outer packaging, there is a very cool looking teal box. Looks very premium, has a nice magnetic clasp on it. Once you open up the box, you will see that there are 6 things inside. We have a beard softener, there's a beard oil, we have a really nice wooden comb that comes in a sheath with the branding, of course. We have a beard brush that comes in this really cute leather pouch, and we have a pair of scissors. Okay, so I know that I don't have a beard, but Bombay Shaving Company has absolutely nailed this beard styling kit. I mean, imagine having something like a beard softener to even a pair of scissors. Like you literally have anything and everything that one would need when it comes to beard styling. The super premium box won't actually burn a hole in your pocket. This retails for rupees 1670. And we also have some additional discounts going on because of the Father's Day campaign. You can use the coupon code MyDadShines. Go to the website, use the coupon code, get your hands on this box, get it for your dad, and yeah, earn some brownie points.